Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be giving my back patio a complete refresh. I'm also going to be painting some planters back here and adding some beautiful fresh flowers to these. I can't wait to share with you how everything turned out. I was so happy that I cleaned this area back up and gave it a refresh and turned it back into the oasis that I love spending time in. Before I get started in today's video, I want to take a really quick second and tell you a little bit about this wine subscription box that I've recently been receiving. I have heard about Winc all over the place, so I was so excited when this company reached out to me. So if you don't know what Winc is, it is a monthly wine subscription box. So Winc is a wine subscription that crafts the internet's favorite wines and delivers them directly to your doorstep, so it makes it super easy. They believe in making wine more accessible to everyone. You start by taking their 1-minute quiz to get bottles matched to your taste preferences. It's so fun and easy. They deliver wines directly to your door. Like I said, every single month. All of their wines are high quality and fairly priced. They have a ton of different wines to choose from, so no matter what your lifestyle or dietary preferences, you can filter it out by low sugar, vegan, and even sustainable wines. So you're going to want to click on that link that I have in my description box, and it's going to take you directly to their website. And instead of just asking you which wines you prefer, it's going to ask you what flavors you like, what are your favorite foods, and then it's going to tailor those taste preferences and pick 4 wines for you. Also, I do want to add that you do not have to pick the wines that they do choose for you. I love just scrolling through their website and looking at the wines that got the best reviews, and that's what I'm going to be trying in my next month subscription. And what I really love most about Winc is the convenience. You can have these wines delivered directly to your front doorstep. You don't have to go to the grocery store, browsing the aisles of the liquor store, looking for wines and all that stuff. They're directly delivered to your doorstep. Also, I want to add that there are no membership fees and you can skip any month or cancel at any time. So right now, when you click on the link in my description box, you will get 4 bottles of wine for only $29.95, and to top it off, you will get free shipping. So get started today by clicking on that link in my description box. I know you will enjoy Winc just as much as I do. So I'm going to open up these umbrellas first to give me a little more shade out here. Here in Vegas, it is still triple digits. Honestly, I cannot wait until the weather starts to cool off. I am really looking forward to fall. I love all of the summer blooms and the greenery that summer has and all that fun stuff, being outside in the pool. But I cannot wait for cooler temperatures. This heat is just driving me crazy. Let me know down in the comments below if you are a summer person or if you are a fall person. What is it like in your area? I'd like to know if your temperatures have started to cool off a bit. So with all of these pillows being outside, they have gotten really dirty. So I really wanted to get all those nice and cleaned up. So the ones that had covers, I took those off. I'm going to throw those in the washer. And then a few of them did not have covers, so I'm just going to throw those directly in the washer. And then these are the planters that I was talking about. I'm going to be painting those white and adding some fresh flowers to these. And I really do love the way they turned out. I've been wanting to paint these for so long, and I am so glad that I did this today. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. For these planters, I'm going to be using the same chalk paint that I used on a few other projects. I do want to let you know that if you have an outdoor project, I would use outdoor paint. For me, I don't care. I love that really chippy look, and I know that these are going to get that way with this paint in particular because it is not an outdoor paint. You can also add a sealant to this if you like. I really did not want to go out and buy new paint just for these planters, so I'm going to go ahead and use this chalk paint. And I did add a tiny bit of water just to thin it out just a bit. And I added 2 coats to this, and then I went back over it with a sander and just kind of scuffed it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to clear everything off this back patio the best I can, and then I'm going to take my blower and just get rid of all of that debris and leaves and just all that stuff that has accumulated back here and give it a really good clean. I'm also going to take my hose and just kind of hose it down afterwards. I wish that I knew how to use my pressure washer, but that thing kind of scares me just a little bit. I'm always worried that I'm going to get a toe or something, but we do have a pressure washer. Maybe one of these days I'm going to have my husband take it out and really give that back patio area a really good clean with the pressure washer. That will help get rid of those watermarks that are left, and you know, where I've had certain things kind of sitting out there, like I have that heat lamp out there and it kind of left a dirt mark. So I do plan on having my husband do that probably at a later time.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Okay, so now that I have everything clean, now comes the fun part. I'm gonna start adding stuff back here and kind of doing a little bit of decorating. And if you guys have any questions about anything that you see in the backyard, please ask down in the comments below. If you're curious to know where I purchased some of these items, that really cute tin farmhouse looking coffee table, I did find that on Amazon. I will go ahead and leave that linked in my description box.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore.
Now I'm going to be adding the pillows back on these outdoor sofas, and they washed up really nicely. Even the pillows that I threw directly in the washer washed up perfectly fine. They didn't come out heavy and soaking wet, and there weren't any issues with that. I did make these pillow covers with the blue flowers on them, and I did do a video of that. I will go ahead and try and find that video and leave a little card up here on the screen if you would like to see how I did that.
Oh, nothing makes sense. Oh, nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, I wish to be the only one who could see what's in your eyes. They're always hiding something holy in disguise.
So I decided to make a quick trip to Home Depot and buy some fresh flowers to plant in these planters that I just painted, and I really wanted to go with colors of fall. I know that these colors can be summer as well, but in my mind I was thinking Indian summer and a little bit more towards fall. I also loved this potato vine. I love how it kind of cascades over the planters. I just think it looks so pretty.
Into the moon now, going too fast. Not ready for that yet. If we start breaking the rules now, I'm not sure there's a way to escape that. We would crash into the moon now, going too fast. We're going too fast now. There's really nothing that could hold us back. Still, I'm afraid to even try.
To give this look a little bit of an extra cozy feel over here, I'm adding some planter hangers and some solar lights. I found these planter hangers at Home Depot, and then the solar lights I purchased at Burlington the beginning of the springtime. I also get a lot of questions about the pillow covers that I use out here, and I will leave these linked down in my description box, as well as this comfy and cozy hammock that I love spending time in, and the sofa that you see by the fire pit. I also got those two off of Amazon as well, and I will leave those linked. I found myself not spending as much time as I normally was out here because it was just a mess. So I was so happy to get this area all cleaned up and give it a really good refresh and turn it back into the oasis that I love. I love being out here with my friends and family. It is so relaxing to just sit out here at the end of the day, maybe sip a glass of wine and just have a conversation with my friends and family and just enjoy the outdoors. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe if you are new. Also, don't forget to click on that link and sign up with Winc today and get your 4 bottles for just $29.95. Thank you so much for stopping by and sharing this outdoor refresh with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.